chose US because it is US, the greatest country, where you can bring your dreams to life. The opportunities abroad is much more. You can get engaged with the new technologies, especially in our field.
My science comes from my personal experience, and my personal experience is mostly that I wish to cure cancer, and it's all platforms to actually do something that actually will make a change.
US is a land of opportunities. Doing master's degree in the US, it's a very valuable to my career. If I go back to India, US master's degree is having a high value over there. So I'll get more opportunities in the India, and also coming to the US, it has it focuses on both theoretical and practical knowledge.
I no longer belong to a specific country. Right now, I feel like I am more of a global person. I got to meet a lot of international students here from different countries. That was a really, really helpful, it was a blessing, to be honest with you, getting to know different cultures and also American culture,